weather bulletin. For the following county, Greene, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jefferson Borough, or near Waynesburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Massentown, Jefferson Borough, Fairdale, Isabella, Nemacolin, Carmichaels, Rice's Landing, New Salem. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 13 and 14. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.